Righty. So first things first, we're going to have a look at prefixes. Prefixes, the things that you put in front of words to make new words. So for example, we have pre plus dict makes predict. So pre means, the prefix pre means before. So what does predict mean? It means say before. So this originally were two words, and this is before and say. So say before. Say before. Okay. Do you get it? Yeah. Have a look at another one. Pre here, we remember it means before, together with pair, which means something like do. So together makes a new word, prepare. And it means to do before. Let's prepare. Let's prepare for class. Means do it before. Predict means I think that you are going to pass your exam. Okay, that's a prediction. I predicted that you are going to pass your exam. So that's very nice because you can make your own words. So now I'm going to show you a list of okay, a list of prefixes. Can you see? Let me just make them a bit bigger. There we are. Okay. On the left, you can see that you have prefixes anti, d, dis, and so on. Okay, so you know some of these. For example, here are some. We'll put them on the list. Un, d, dis, ex, in. Okay. All right. So in the chat, can you make some words with these prefixes? So you can choose your own main word and just add a prefix on the front. It doesn't have to be a real word. It can be something you make up. Lavanya, I think maybe there might be something wrong with your microphone because mine is your speaker. Is your sound up on your computer? Can you check? Can everybody else hear me okay? Yeah? Okay, thanks, Janelle. All right. Here comes Emmet again. Let's hope it works. Okay, so please take a prefix from here and put another word. You can use any word you like. For example,
can I leave the meeting? It's very laggy. I leave the meeting and join back in.
Sure, Janelle. Yes, go ahead. For example, you make this word want, and you're going to put one of these in front of it. So un means not. And let's check our list here. D means the opposite. D means the opposite. Okay. And what does this mean? This means not or opposite. And X means out of. And in means in. And pre means before. And post means after. Okay, so see if you can make your own word. Choose a word like want, give, take, live, hug. What else? Play. All right, let's see what you've got. So I could make a word. It's not a real word. Just make your own word up. Okay, everybody? Make up your own word. And this is the meaning of the prefixes. Un means not. D means opposite, and dis means opposite or not. Ex means out of. In means in something, inside something. Pre means before, and post means after. Okay, have a try. Right. So we've got our first one here from Lavanya is unwant and intake. Very nice. Thank you. Intake. Extinct. Very good. Thank you, Wei Hong. Can you work out what tinct means, Wei Hong? You know what extinct means, so you know what X means. What do you think tinct means? Yes, it does. It means dead. Yes, but means no longer living. So out of this world, like the dinosaurs. So tinct means out of this gone. So out of the existence. In other words, yes, like the dinosaurs. Exactly, Wei Hong. You're right. Hello, is that Pin Pin? Can you unmute yourself?
The camera.
Camera. Is it your camera, Emmett?
No, it's my mother's laptop camera.
Oh, okay, got it. Oh, well, good idea. That's a really good idea. Thank you very much to your mum for organizing that. Thank you. So once in a while you can turn and look at us. Hello, give us a wave. Turn to the other. No, the other way. The other. Yes, that's it. Got it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's have some more made up words. So far we've got unwant, intake, extinct. Let's have some more. Can anyone do anything with live, hug, play? Have a go. Make your own word up. It doesn't have to be a real word, but Lavanya's words and Wei Hong's word is real. They're real. Intake is a real word. Unwant is almost a real word, isn't it, Lavanya? But you need to put something on the end to make it a real word. You've got to put another thing on the end, Lavanya. Yeah, Wei Hong lived. Yeah, that's a suffix. You put an ending on live. Can you put a prefix at the front? Playful is a suffix, Janelle. Can you do a prefix? Unlive. Yes, Wei Hong. What does it mean, do you think? What does it mean to unlive? Hello, I'm unliving today. I don't think so. It's an interesting word. Okay, so in history, this is how people made words. They knew what a prefix was, and they made a new word. So we now have new words that were made in the last 2 or 3 years that we never heard before. Yeah, and they're coming up and they're new. So, for example, if you like horror, you can have undead. Did you know that? Undead. That's all the zombies and all those weird creatures. Yeah, the undead are the people who are supposed to be dead, but they're not dead, like zombies. Okay. Some more. How about hug? Can anyone try putting a prefix on hug? It's not a real word, but you could try and make a new word. Yes, yes. I'm dishugging you because I'm unhappy. Oh yes. Dislive, yes. This life is not good enough. I'm disliving. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Wei Hong. Thank you, Emmett. Is that any better, Janelle? Where is she?
Yes.
Is it better now? Is it lagging still?
No.
No. Fantastic. Thank you.
No.
Okay, in case you're wondering, we've got two views of Emmett. We've got him side view and the front view today. Yeah. Okay, so we've got some interesting words here. Dishug. Emmett, what do you think a dishug is when you dishug somebody? To hug somebody is like this. A dishug. So, I'm sorry, I'm dishugging you. Is it when you stop hugging people? Right. I hugged my mum, then I dishugged her. Right. Okay, I get it. Very good. So you can create things, and creative writers do this a lot. They play with words. And if you know your prefixes well, and I can send you this list, so you can learn all the prefixes. Here are some suffixes as well, the words, the letters we put on the end to make different words. And you can have a lot of fun playing with this. Okay, I hope that you can, if I give you the link, let's see if you can open it, all right? You don't have to open it now. I'm just giving it to you for later. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the prefixes a little bit, and you're going to have to be guessing. So it will be really good to know the prefixes, and we can refer to that list that I gave you just now so that you can guess correctly. Yes. Okay, can you open the link I put in the chat? Say yes or put thumbs up. Can you open the link that I put in the chat? Emmett, you can? Okay. Right, good. Right, thank you very much. Thumbs up. Yay. All right, so vocabulary, MCQs. Sometimes MCQs are easy. I mean, you can guess, but then sometimes it's really difficult. You don't know what the right answer is. So let's have a look, and knowing that we can look at prefixes, that's really going to help us a lot. So we can figure out something about prefixes. For example, re means again. And you know D means not. And im means something like not or against. And re is again, okay? So repaired, decreased, impaired, and reliable. We've got these 4 words. Okay, so Lavanya, what would you say is the correct answer? Please unmute yourself. Lavanya? Can you unmute your microphone? What's the answer, Lavanya? Which one do you think is the correct? Some people who... What? Did you say impaired?
Yes.
And you knew that was the correct answer? Not sure?
Not sure.
Not sure. But why did you choose that then?
Because impaired means like they don't have any other ability.
Great answer. Thank you. Yes. So impaired means, yes, not having ability. So it's something wrong with the hearing, something damaged about the hearing. That's right. Impaired. Yes. Great. Thank you. So it's not working properly. The hearing's not working properly. Can you do any sign language? Lavanya, did you learn any at school? No? It's kind of useful to learn a little bit. And you can talk to people all over the world. It's quite interesting with sign language. Okay. So Lavanya, do you know what the other words mean? Repaired, decreased, and reliable?
Decreased means like died or something.